Alright, I want to do a quick video on making deer sinew, turn it into cordage. But basically you take the dried up deer sinew, which is the tendon from the deer, and you get it dried out. You can find it along the back, you can find it along the legs. But basically you smack it, get it to get freed up. This was a pretty big piece, and I've got it pretty much used up, but so you get it into long strands like that. Once you get into the long strands, find a piece like this, and you find the middle, and you twist up. Keep twisting it up till you get a kink in it, and you'll get a little kink to form. Hold it between your fingers like that. Pinch it with your other hand. Twist this one forward. Rotate them both back. Twist this one forward. Twist back. Sometimes it helps if you get a little bit of water on your fingers. I like to wet it a little bit. My hands are dry. Twist that forward. Turn it back. Twist this one forward. Turn it back. And you start to get a string to form. Twist forward, turn it back, twist it forward, turn it back. You keep doing this, and you end up with a really strong string. Now you can do this with different plant material. Yucca is a good one for it. Look up how to harvest the yucca. Some people boil it and soften it, and then you can pull the strands out of the yucca plant. The Indians, Native Americans, used to make bowstring out of yucca. But as you can tell, trying to get the focus to work, you end up with a pretty strong string. And there you go, you get cordage. Now once you get down here toward the end, you can take another piece and twist it up in there and basically keep extending it. Like, well, let's say we're at the end, which we're not, but I'm gonna lay this in here and I'll twist that one forward and turn it back, twist this one, turn it back, twist, turn it back, twist, turn it back, and you can blend that right in there. This little bit of extra you can either burn off with a lighter or just cut it off with a knife, would be fine. But basically that's how you make cordage. You can do this with dogbane is another plant that's good for making cordage. Like right here, I could extend this one. I'll just twist another one in there. And that's your cordage. So I just wanted to make another quick video of how to make cordage. Maybe I can get this one, braid this one up a little more. Now you can twist this up. Once you get them both twisted up pretty good, you can twist that a little more. But yeah, you can make bowstring out of sinew. You can use it for sewing. You don't have to do this to even sew with sinew. You could just use a raw piece and sew with the sinew from the raw piece. But Native Americans would use the sinew like this for their arrows, and worked really good for binding lashings, all kinds of different things you can use it for. But use this, and that's going to be my next video, is I made this little burner here. Show you that. I made me a little burner here, and I'm going to show you how to make pine sap resin. Works pretty good. Actually, you're going to laugh, but this has some resin in the spoon right here. I was making a small amount and just had what I had laying around, so I just used an old spoon and we'll go to that next. But I've got some harvested pine sap here, and I got ashes out of the fire out back. So that's what I'm going to show you next. But as far as your sinew, just get you some deer tendon when you get your deer, or ask your buddies, hey, you got any extra deer tendon, or ask them to save it from the deer. For making all kinds of crafts where you want it to be traditional, made traditional way, the way the Native Americans made it. Used any deer sinew. I've used them on knives from time to time. A lot of times I use artificial sinew for my sheaths and stuff like that. But I'm going to show you how to make this pine sap resin in the next video, so keep watching.